Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert footnote in Word. Okay, here you will see that I have entered a footnote here. Okay, so how to do it? What you have to do first, I am going to just remove this footnote. Okay, I'm going to just remove this footnote, and here also. Okay, then I will show you how to remove or how to add footnote. Okay, so first you have to click on the word, okay, right next to the word where you want to enter the footnote. Then go to reference, and here you will see insert footnote option. Click on it. When you click on it, you will see that in the bottom, in the footer, you will see this one number. You have to just now you have to enter the sentence or whatever you want, and you can highlight this word also. Okay, so like this you can enter or insert footnotes in Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.